Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10, and today I will show you how you can check your battery temperature. So we have to go for the Play Store and get application Ampere. This one from the Brain Trap. When you finish download, you can open. And if you got any notification, you have to accept all of them. And after that, you will be able to find the temperature in this place. You can also find here other data and other themes of the same data. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.